Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to find the factorial of a number using while loop. So given a number as input to the Python program, so your task is to find the factorial of a given number and you should be using the while loop. So that is your problem statement. So let's try to solve this. So let me take a n, so that is a variable, and use the input function called to ask a user to enter a number. So let's say enter a number. Yeah, so once the user enters a number, so it will be of string type. So let's convert it into an integer type using the type conversion. So once we are done getting the value of n, so we have to find the factorial and we should be using the while loop. So let's take another variable to store the factorial of a number. So let me take a product and initialize it to a 1. So we'll be using the while loop to iterate from n to 1 and multiply the value of n with the product. So we'll use the while loop. So the while loop condition is n is greater than 1. So what we do is we have to keep multiplying the product and reducing the value of n by 1. So let's take product equals to product multiplied by n, and in the next line, so what we do is take the value of n and keep it decrementing. So n equals to n minus 1. Yeah, so this is the complete while loop to find the that is the factorial of a number. So once the while loop completes, so we'll be having the factorial of a number stored in this variable, that is product. So let's try to print it. So let's use the directly print function, and here let's say factorial is, let's give colon, and in the flower braces, so let's print the product variable. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to find the factorial of a number using the while loop. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So running the main program, so enter a number, so let's say 5, and you can see factorial is 120. Closing it, so let me re-execute it, and here, so let me type something like 20. So you can see factorial is 20 factorial is this big value. Closing it, so let me re-execute it. So let's give something like 0. So you can see factorial of 0 is 1. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to find the factorial of a number, that too using the while loop. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.